Assalamualaikum friends. Today I will discuss how to fix your video is partially muted in some countries 2021. I made a video a few days ago. Many people have said in the comments that the restore option is not available. Today's video is for them. First, I'm opening a browser. You will be logged into your Facebook account. Show you today's date and time online before you start the video. You can see today's date and time. I'm refreshing the browser again. Let's start the video now. A notification has come from Facebook. I will click on the notification now. You can see the problem is seen above. You can see the restore option is seen here. I will now click on the restore option. Before that, I will refresh your date and time today. Click restore audio. Click restore audio. Welcome to my channel Shaem Art. Take your paper, pen or pencil and thanks for watching.